Are you thinking about selling your home? Before you start ripping up all the tile and spending big money on upgrades, watch this first. I'm gonna walk you through the top 10 things you should not fix before listing your home here in Jacksonville or Ponte Vedra. Plus, a quick bonus tip at the end on what's actually worth doing to get top dollar on your property. I'm very passionate about maximizing profits for my clients. Let's just jump right in. Number one, major remodels. Look, if you're staying put for a few years and you want to enjoy a brand new kitchen or a spa bath, absolutely, go for it. But if you're selling soon, don't do it for the buyer. Your taste just might not match theirs, and you'll almost never get that money back. Buyers at that 500 to 1.5 million price range, they're gonna bring their own vision anyway. Instead, do quick refreshes, update the cabinet hardware, swap out that outdated lighting, repaint in a warm, neutral tone, and make sure everything is sparkling clean. Those simple tweaks, it gives the property a polished look without killing your profit. Because at the end of the day, it's all about maximizing that. Number two, flooring. Full floor replacements rarely pay off. If your LVP or hardwood is still in good shape, just keep it. Buyers might go ahead and just change it anyways. The one exception is carpet. If it's stained or worn, replace it with a neutral color and fresh padding. That one detail makes the entire home smell and feel cleaner. Otherwise, do a deep clean with what you have, a professional floor cleaning or light refinish on hardwood. It goes a long way. Number three, driveways and walkways. Don't stress over small cracks. In Florida, that just happens, the concrete cracks, right? What are you gonna do? It's part of the weather cycle. Fixing it right means jackhammering and repouring concrete. That costs thousands of dollars and it's not gonna raise your sales price. Instead, pressure wash the driveway. Level any pavers that could potentially trip somebody and edge the sides so that it looks crisp. Buyers care about clean and safe, not brand new concrete. Number four, roof replacement. Look, don't replace your roof just to list your home. If it's not leaking, you don't need to spend the $2,000 or $40,000 on a new one. Have minor repairs done, keep the invoice, and then get 2 or 3 replacement estimates from reputable local roofers. That way, if a buyer actually does bring it up, you've got real numbers ready to go. It protects you from inflated repair requests and it keeps your sale on track. Clean the gutters, clean debris, and make sure everything looks maintained. That's all you need. Inspect it, get an estimate, done deal. Number five, window coverings. New blinds and curtains are expensive and they almost never match the buyer's taste. Take down heavy drapes and dated blinds, patch the holes, and let in natural light. Buyers in this market, they love bright, airy spaces that photograph well. If privacy is a concern, simple shears or nothing at all. Light sells, not window treatments. Number six, the front door. Unless it's cracked or warped, skip the door. A full replacement can cost thousands of dollars between the door, the hardware, and the labor. Instead, repaint it or restain it. Update the handle set, clean the glass, and brighten the porch lighting. That front entry is your buyer's first impression. Keep it simple, warm, and welcoming. A refreshed door says, well kept home every single time. Number seven, landscaping projects. Listen, don't pour money into elaborate outdoor kitchens or new stone patios right before you list the home. Big landscaping projects can get expensive fast, and again, we're trying to maximize profit. Buyers are not going to pay extra for that. Focus instead on clean and neat. The trees, the shrubs, mow the lawn, pull the weeds out, edge the walkways, add fresh mulch. Once you pressure wash the driveway, in Florida sunlight, that fresh, well-kept look, it goes further than brand new pergolas ever will. Number eight, fireplaces. If you have a fireplace, great, but don't replace it. Whether it's gas or wood burning, buyers will have their own preference. Just make sure it's functional and spotless. Sweep the chimney, remove the soot, and stage it neatly with logs or candles. A clean, safe fireplace, it adds charm to the property without any extra cost. We're trying to maximize profit. No need to add something unnecessary. Number 9, partial repairs. Avoid patchwork fixes. If a faucet leaks, don't just replace one handle, do the entire fixture. If a cabinet door breaks, match and repair the full set. Inconsistent repairs look lazy, and it makes buyers wonder what else wasn't done properly in the home. Finish what you start so the home feels cared for, not cobbled together. Number 10, over upgrading. Stay in line with your neighborhood. If every home nearby is $600,000 and you're the only one that looks like it's a $1.5 million home, you're never gonna get that back. Appraisers and buyers value based on surrounding homes. Clean, move-in ready, and priced right is always gonna sell faster than over customize and upgrade to complete, not to outshine. So here's the bonus round. What's actually worth doing? Now that you know what not to fix, here's what's worth every penny. Do a deep clean. The baseboards, the windows, and floors. Declutter and depersonalize so buyers can actually imagine themselves in the home. Deodorize to remove any pet or smoke smell. Paint in a light, neutral color to brighten the space. And finally, stage it professionally or just rearrange what you already have. Make it feel balanced, open, and inviting. These low-cost, high-impact updates, they deliver real results. Now, if you're thinking about selling anywhere in Northeast Florida, so from Jacksonville all the way over to Ponte Vedra, and you would like a step-by-step walkthrough of what's actually worth doing and what's not, call or text me directly. I will help you position your home to sell quickly and profitably without wasting a dime on the wrong fixes. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.